Ready to go?
No.
I don't know. I think you should be ready to go. Oh, I'm not trying to be funny.
I don't mean you're not.
I'm optimistic that this is going to get together really quick. How's it going, hon?
It's hitting the tire and I'm trying to figure out why.
It's what?
It's the tire right here.
Sort of like my wagon.
Hmm.
I thought he walked away. Now I understand why he walked away. Cool. So it just needs gas after this, David?
Gas and oil. I gotta make sure I have the right kind of oil.
You make sure you show me how to do it? Because you must have to drain it in the fall, right?
I have to drain the oil.
Do you want some help?
No, mine.
So this morning's project for my husband is to see if he can get this wood chipper working. We purchased this. We had it delivered to us 2 or 3 weeks ago. And unfortunately, the part he is putting on, which is where the pull cord is, was broken when it arrived. Brand new unit, broken. So I called and I told them about it, and they sent me a replacement that didn't even fit. So I again called last week, and they sent me another piece, but it looked like it had been used. And so my husband's having a hard time putting it on, so he's jerry-rigging this, because for some reason it's not fitting. How can you explain that, Dave?
It just, when it tightens up, it doesn't want to pull back.
To me, it just doesn't work.
Yeah. Works.
Okay. Folks, say a little prayer. We need this wood chipper to work because we got a whole pile of stuff, shrubs and stuff to kind of put through here, and we can use it for some composting or the hugel mounds that we're making. tell me what I was doing wrong.
It's a small one. It's not a big one like they have all over the street.
Yeah.
So you have to have the branches. If the branches get caught going in,
Yeah.
it's not going to go. You need to have another stick to push it.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm not going to do this alone until I really got a hang on it.
Yeah.
Handle on it.
And you want to make sure you're not holding on to them too tight because it will suck it in.
Well, that's what I was afraid of. I was afraid that it was going to take my arm off, or I noticed that it spits back. I don't have safety glasses on.
Well, you should.
I like your safety glasses, darling. So, okay. So we got a project to do coming up.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for getting that going. And there you have it, folks. We might not get what we wanted in terms of what we were sent. So there you have it. Now, would I recommend Landworks? Probably not. The customer service reps, they were techs. They were nice. But for them to send us a unit that was already broken, had the wrong pole piece, it was already damaged when we got it. I called and to see what they would do. They sent us a new part, which it was new, but it was a wrong one. So they didn't even go back to my order, technically, to see what part I would need. So it came in. It takes about a week to get this in, and then David having a day to actually get to it. But it takes about 4 to 5 days to receive. And then it didn't fit. The last one didn't fit at all. This one, he had a jerry rig, like I mentioned, in terms of he had to adjust it and put like spacers in it so it would not pull as he pulled it out. So would I recommend this company? No. And and I even told him, hey, I'm going to do a video for you if you can get me the right parts. They did not. Does it work? It works, absolutely. Are we thrilled with it? Dave is not totally thrilled, but we're going to keep giving it a go and see where we can. Now, if it improves or if the company sees this video, great, see what they can do for us. But right now, I don't think it's as good. Then again, it's a home type chipper. Should I expect perfection? Absolutely. For the price that we paid, absolutely. Now, I don't expect to put a tree, a huge tree limb through it, but for what we're trying to clean up, I expected that stuff to go in better. Now, I did learn that you have to put the thicker part of the branch in first, and there's more things I have to learn. But based on David working with us, and he's worked with others, he's not 100% there. So we'll see what happens. I think this upcoming weekend, or maybe within the week, we'll do some more wood chipping. And we will use all the chips that we get, and we'll put them in the garden or in the hugel mounds that we're making. Folks, I hope that you are going to have a great day. If you're watching this later in the day, I hope that you had a great day and are going to enjoy a beautiful night. God bless, friends.